The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cimarron County, north central Dallam County, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles west of Felt, or 17 miles northeast of Clayton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Felt. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Dallam, Texas.